DIY. It's Saturday and today I'm starting the day slow, me and my coffee. Today I'm leaving you behind the scenes as I prep the crochet pattern for my bolero I crochet some time ago. And there is some garden time, some cozy notes, little stitch counting, and yeah, that's about it. So let's dive in. Alaska is the queen of fences, always keeping an eye on things. Okay, so today I'm working on some crochet flowers for my love design, and I have some ideas blooming already. And this is where most of my ideas start, just me, the garden, and a quiet morning. Alright, now to crochet some flowers that never fade. Of course, Alaska came to check my work. Quality control as always. I made my coffee and grabbed my yarn. Let's see where the colors take me. And then I finally sat down to crochet. Just me, the yarn, and a few little ideas starting to take shape. This part is just for playing with yarn, colors, and ideas coming to my mind, and we'll see what happens. I usually start with a magic ring, and before I know it, a little flower starts to appear. Crystal's always watching, like she's making sure I'm doing it right. Alright, time to crochet a few more flowers and slowly wrap up for the day. Next morning, I pull out the sleeves again, just feeling the fabric and easing back into it. I started counting the stitches row by row, just making sure everything lines up before I write it down. Then it's onto the notebook. This is where the ideas become a real pattern. Scribbles first, structure later. A quick measure here and there, mostly to double check the math, but also because I like when it feels precise. This part always makes me pause, like, is it ready? Is it clear enough to share? I think so. So I sat down to type everything up, trying to make it easy to follow. If you like these slow creative days with yarn, flowers, and a bit of cat supervision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. There is more coming soon. Thanks for hanging out with me. Ciao!